As sunlight moves across basalt rock, its hues shift gently, creating a calm, sculptural presence. This mood-driven effect inspired the Shadowstone finish, rooted in nature and defined by quaint elegance. Rather than demanding attention, it elevates spaces with refined, understated harmony. Introducing Hafele's Kallisto series hubs, which feature the unique Shadowstone finish, offering a serene visual presence. Enjoy interruption-free and convenient cooking with a fully sealed design. Cast iron pan supports that seamlessly handle everyday Indian utensils. Black finished knobs which enhance the aesthetics. Advanced ignition pin which lights the burner quickly. True blue flame created by the perfectly balanced air-gas mix. And enhanced safety with a flame failure safety device. Hafele's Kallisto series hobs, the perfect combination of convenience and visual harmony.